making video. So I got this old metal ruler. I already went ahead and been waiting to make this pick for a while now. Pre-cut the piece of ruler off. Used a Dremel tool, ground it out, cut off blade. Started to made the basic formation of the pick. Then all that I'm going to be doing to continue is I will be slowly grinding down the tip into the shape of a pick. I'm going to be making it to fit these American locks. But yeah, there we go. So here I am. I basically get a rough outline of the pick at this point, and I'll slowly refine it. I'll basically get the the neck portion down to where I want it, and then I'll work my way to the tip and refine the tip and the back portion. And I'll go along and just check to make sure that it fits properly in the lock that I want it. And continue. So I'll basically get it up to next to finish level with a cutting wheel, then I'll touch it up with a like a little grinding stone or something like that to smooth it off and any burrs or anything off there. But this is essentially the finished product made in probably about 10 minutes. You get all fancy and make some handles for them, but I don't really do that because I just make them to play with. I'm gonna start making some handles though and see how they come out. Alright, so here's the final product. I mean, I know you can't tell, but I hit it with a little grinding wheel, smoothed it all out so it's nice and smooth. Let's pick a lock. This is I did a, oops, I grabbed the wrong tensioner, but I think I can make it work. This is another one of my American locks I got in the mail the other day. Felt like a false set. I did my other video is not this lock. And bottom. Boom. That's how you pick a lock with a new pick. Freshly made.